There's no need to settle for ordinary when you can grow smarter. This advanced indoor smart garden transforms your countertop into a precision-controlled growing zone. Its generous 21-pod tray nurtures leafy greens effortlessly, while a dedicated 2-pod grow tray accommodates larger plants like cherry tomatoes or peppers. The LED grow light system offers 8 brightness levels and reaches up to 30 inches high, paired with a 180-degree rotatable detachable light panel for maximum flexibility. When sleep matters as much as sound, precision matters. The sleep-optimized speaker delivers high-fidelity audio within a body just 0.43 inches thin, resting flat beneath your pillow without disrupting your comfort. Designed for bedtime use, its 11mm profile ensures it stays discreet while surrounding you in rich, immersive sound without pressing against your ear or causing discomfort. The Streamplify Hub Deck 5 is designed to enhance your workspace with both functionality and style. This USB hub offers 5 ports, each equipped with individual power-off buttons, allowing you to control each connection effortlessly. The LED indicators provide clear visibility of which devices are active, so you stay organized and in control. Customization is key, and with 7 swappable keycaps, you can easily adapt the hub to reflect your personal style. Gliding through water with power and precision, the Edge K4 redefines your kayaking and diving experience. Built for adventurers who demand speed, control, and intelligent engineering, this underwater scooter weighs just 2.2 pounds but delivers up to 19.8 pounds of thrust. Its lightweight profile hides serious capability. Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless integration with smart devices, while intuitive controls offer unmatched precision steering beneath the surface. Launching bold ideas requires tools built to match that energy. This notebook and pen combo is crafted not for desks but for action, ready to accompany explorers, thinkers, and creators across any terrain. Every component is engineered to resist the elements, all while delivering precise, reliable performance. The carbon fiber cover offers extreme strength without unnecessary weight, tough enough to take a beating yet sleek enough to carry daily. The TP-Link X 1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an advanced internet experience, perfect for households and small offices. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers faster speeds, greater network capacity, and minimizes congestion compared to older models. With next-gen speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band, streaming, gaming, and downloading are smooth and uninterrupted. Hard water buildup and soap scum don't stand a chance when you're armed with a precision tool built for real cleaning. With an impressive max torque of 22 inch-pounds, this scrubber drives through grime on tile, glass, porcelain, and more. Charge once via USB-C and get up to 90 minutes of runtime, long enough to clean your entire bathroom without stopping. Capture professional-grade audio in any environment with this sleek wireless lavalier mic system engineered for modern creators. Built to sync effortlessly with iPhone 15 or 16 and USB-C Android devices, this compact powerhouse delivers hi-fi sound without the hassle of tangled wires or complicated setup. Whether you're recording a vlog on the go, streaming live, or capturing interviews, this microphone adapts quickly to your needs. Built for those who move with purpose, the Hockey Link open-ear wireless sports earbuds redefine performance and comfort. Featuring a memory titanium dual-curve design, these earbuds resist deformation, maintaining a secure accessory-compatible fit through intense workouts. IPX5 waterproofing shields them from sweat and rain, making them an all-weather companion. Wrapped in skin-friendly, large-area liquid silicone, they deliver breathable comfort with a triangular pressure relief air cushion for enhanced stability. Escape into your favorite stories without eye strain or disturbing others. The premium book light frame transforms late-night reading into a smooth, focused experience. Designed with an optical-grade magic lighting plate, this innovative frame evenly distributes warm, shadow-free illumination directly onto the page. No hotspots. Walang halos. Just pure, focused light tailored for private moments with your book. Built for steep streets and long rides, the InMotion Climber redefines the electric scooter experience with a dual 750-watt motor system that generates a combined peak of 1,500-watt power. This robust setup propels the climber to speeds up to 23.6 miles per hour, even when facing demanding inclines and heavy riders up to 286 pounds. Its hill climbing capabilities are backed by an advanced torque system and independent dual-wheel drive that grips the pavement confidently. Built to outperform the rest, this compact power block delivers more than just watts. It delivers peace of mind. Whether you're juicing up a flagship phone, a tablet on the fly, or even a lightweight laptop, it handles the load without breaking a sweat. With a futuristic, robot-inspired design, the charger stands out without shouting. But what really sets it apart is what's inside. Compatibility. Wider than a football field, this little powerhouse recognizes and works with practically every major fast-charging protocol. The Petite Forêt Plus Tropical Moss Terrarium offers a seamless blend of nature and technology. This innovative terrarium features full app control for managing growth, lighting, and watering, providing a convenient way to care for your plants. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or new to indoor gardening, this terrarium simplifies the process with its intuitive features. The system allows you to easily monitor and adjust the environment for your tropical moss, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. The Final Press Original Coffee and Tea Maker combines convenience and versatility in a compact, portable design, making it an essential tool for coffee and tea enthusiasts. Featuring patented 3-in-1 technology, this stainless steel micro French press is ideal for brewing hot, iced, and cold beverages with ease. Whether you're at home, on a camping trip, or traveling, it offers an exceptional brewing experience that adapts to any setting. When your lifestyle demands mobility without compromising entertainment quality, the LG Standby ME Go delivers a premium cinematic experience packed inside a durable, modern briefcase-style design. Built for life on the move, this 27-inch touchscreen is fully enclosed in a rugged shell that opens to reveal a versatile smart display. With a built-in battery that lasts up to 3 hours, it frees you from outlets and messy cables, offering true wireless viewing wherever your day takes you. Introducing an innovative leap in tennis technology, the AsiMate tennis robot brings a new level of realism to training. With 4K vision paired with bi-cameras, this cutting-edge system delivers precise, human-like ground strokes for an unmatched experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its versatility shines with serve and rally modes that allow for tailored practice sessions designed to improve both technique and endurance. The Anchorwork S600 combines cutting-edge technology and sleek design to elevate your conferencing and entertainment experience. With its AI-powered Voice Radar 3.5 technology, this Bluetooth speaker ensures optimal voice clarity by isolating target voices while minimizing up to 99% of distractions, including non-target voices. The high-speed NPU chip performs local analysis, providing robust data security without relying on the cloud. Introducing the Boio 2.0 Booklight, where precision meets innovation for a truly refined reading experience. Designed with the modern reader in mind, this light ensures your pages are perfectly illuminated, allowing you to lose yourself in every chapter without distractions. The Boio 2.0 combines style and function, offering a sleek, compact design that easily adapts to any reading environment. Warm summer air clings to the skin, but the WashWow electronic bath ball changes everything. Built for clean confidence, this compact powerhouse uses advanced water electrolysis to neutralize odors without harsh soap or friction. Designed with precision, it silently purifies as it soaks, leaving your skin refreshed, not stripped. Crafted from high-quality materials, the WashWow bath ball slips easily into your daily ritual. Under blazing sun or beneath starlit skies, the Everfrost 240-liter electric cooler operates with rugged efficiency, making it a top-tier option for overlanders, campers, and weekend anglers. This 42-quart mobile refrigerator holds up to 54 cans and integrates a robust 288 watt-hour battery system that runs quietly and steadily, keeping contents chilled between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The Revolve Tray Box offers a sleek, functional solution for organizing your essential everyday items. Crafted from 100% beechwood, this tray exudes quality, delivering both style and practicality. With dimensions of 7.8 by 5.1, 2 by 3.07 inches, it is spacious enough to hold your daily EDC gear, such as keys, glasses, and wallets, without overwhelming your workspace. On late-night walks, early hikes, or roadside repairs, the right tool makes the difference. Built to perform in varied conditions, the Scout Light Blinko delivers a seamless blend of function and convenience without the excess. This multi-scenario light adapts to your environment, whether clipped to a backpack, magnetically mounted to metal, or worn hands-free on your jacket or cap. Weighing under 2 ounces and measuring just under 2 inches long, it's compact and versatile, made for those who value space and simplicity. Slip into a new era of control with Tap XR, designed to fit a wide range of wrist sizes. The package includes 2 adjustable bands, a large spring blue band for wrists over 6.25 inches and a small starlight band for wrists under 6.25 inches in circumference. Setting up takes just minutes with the exclusive mobile apps, allowing you to master tapping techniques anytime, anywhere. Tap XR delivers 2 powerful modes, a fully functional keyboard and an intuitive air mouse. The Air Selfie Air Neo is a compact yet powerful mini drone designed to elevate your aerial photography experience. Built for beginners and experts alike, this drone features an impressive 2K camera capable of capturing stunning, high-quality images and videos. Whether you're looking to shoot unique footage or simply have fun flying, the Air Neo offers an intuitive, user-friendly design, making it an ideal choice for all skill levels. The Artaiwo plastic wrap dispenser stands out as a durable and efficient solution for your kitchen needs. With its magnetic design, this 12-inch by 328 feet dispenser allows you to effortlessly cut cling film, aluminum foil, and other wraps with precision. It eliminates the frustration of tangled plastic wrap, offering a seamless experience with every use. Crafted from robust materials, this dispenser is built to last, ensuring both stability and reliability. Introducing the Lightbox, an unparalleled fusion of style and innovation, where eco-friendly materials meet cutting-edge technology. Crafted with Danish design principles and premium craftsmanship, this wood projector sets a new standard for home entertainment. With a giant screen experience up to 180 inches, it transforms any room into a personal theater. The patent-pending Smart Flip technology allows for seamless vertical displays, offering flexibility for all viewing angles. Every second on the road demands attention, and now there's a tool that sharpens your awareness without weighing you down. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, these ultralight CyberSight HUD glasses transform how you experience every drive, ride, or run. Designed with an integrated road safety system, they provide timely body alerts and real-time navigation guidance, all projected clearly into your line of sight. The heads-up display eliminates the need to glance down at phones or maps, helping you stay focused where it matters most. When temperatures climb and shade offers no relief, a pocket-sized powerhouse makes all the difference. The Jisu Life Handheld Fan Pro 1S stands out with industrial-grade engineering and a compact frame, delivering cold air faster and stronger than typical fans in its class. Inside, a 3-phase brushless motor pair with a robust 5,000 mAh battery to generate air speeds up to 9 meters per second, translating to a furious 15,000 revolutions per minute. Tough enough to travel and sharp enough to satisfy, the GKD Plus redefines what a retro handheld console can deliver. At just under 6 inches wide and 3 inches tall, it's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, yet fully packed with serious gaming muscle. This compact powerhouse comes preloaded with over 2,500 classic games, spanning arcade legends, platformers, and vintage RPGs. amzn.to redefines convenience and functionality with its innovative multifunctional design. This smart mouse seamlessly blends an Air mouse, wireless touchpad, presentation pen, and recording pen into one compact device. Weighing only 70 grams, it's lightweight and portable, perfect for those who need to stay mobile. The ergonomic shape fits naturally in your hand, making it ideal for extended use without discomfort. The Air mouse operates in 2 modes: desktop and air mode. The Eco Active Buds. amzn.to earbuds represent a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design, crafted to elevate your listening experience. Engineered with an AMOLED touchscreen, these earbuds offer intuitive controls, providing effortless navigation of your music, calls, and settings with a simple tap. The dual-device simultaneous Bluetooth 5.3 connection ensures a seamless transition between multiple devices, eliminating the need for constant pairing. The Roller Pro is a sleek, durable trolley built to accommodate the needs of modern travelers and photographers. Engineered with a hybrid soft-hard construction, it balances lightweight maneuverability with rugged resilience. Its design offers enhanced access, allowing users to easily organize and reach their belongings. The trolley's robust yet thin structure ensures it can endure the rigors of travel while remaining compact enough for efficient storage. Unleash creative potential without the clutter of multiple devices. The Leany PixCut S1 merges 3 essential tools: printer, laminator, and cutter into a single compact powerhouse. With its patented print laminate cut automation, you can turn a single sheet of paper into a durable, waterproof sticker in under 2 minutes. No manual feeding, no machine swaps, just load your design and let the PixCut S1 do the rest.